Hello everyone! Today I want to share how to make easy and healthy lentil soup that you can make with the ingredients from your pantry. This is a great recipe for a weekday meal, especially for a working mom like me. You can make your own Italian seasoning mixing dried basil, oregano, rosemary, and thyme. First, cut all vegetables into small pieces. Using a big cutting board saves your time because you don't need to transfer chopped veggies into another bowl. You can use vegetable broth if you want to make vegetarian soup. Meanwhile, I'm going to cook Italian sausage as a topping for my family who loves meat. Remove the casing before cooking the sausage. Set aside for later. If you want more greens, add chopped spinach or kale once the lentils got tender. Turn off the heat and stir in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Place the crumbled Italian sausage and sprinkle chopped green onions. You can also enjoy this soup with a crusty roll. Thank you for watching and see you next time!